Okay folks, what I have for you here today is a Hubbell Grandfather clock, another clockmaker in Michigan. Very nice burled case. It's kind of in a dark oak. Case is in very nice condition. The clock was well cared for. Nice burling up here. This is all raised. Nice raised panel here. Good heavy case. Does have a German movement in it. I believe it's a Koeniger. As usual, I don't buy anything that has any serious case damage or anything that doesn't have a German movement in it. So, nice side glass. Get down the side of the case here. Nice dental molding all the way around the case. That's what we call this right here. Nice cabinet style bottom of the case with that inset and more burling. Open up the case for you. Now we don't have it running, we'll start it up. Nice brass weights. These are a little longer and a little thinner than some of them. Some of them are fatter and shorter. So you get to see a little bit more brass weight with this style clock. Nice pendulum. Doesn't have any marks or anything on it. Nice raised corner spandrels. You don't usually get these. Usually they're, something similar to this clock over here. You can see they're not really raised. This one has nice raised ones with a figurine on them. So it's a really kind of stylish clock. It is a triple chime, plays St. Michael, Westminster, and Whittington. Also has a silent option for the quarters, and it has a silent option if you so wish to silent the hour strike. Full working moon dial. It's getting ready to gear up the click for the day. But it's basically that's what you see all the way around. It's got the constellations and 2 moons. It is a working lunar calendar. So if you set it according to the full moon, then you'll know what moon is coming up that night. Kind of a neat feature. Very few people set it, but it is there. I'll let you hear the chimes. Very nice, deep sounding to the chimes in the hour strike. Again, if you need any information on shipping, feel free to email me at chris@clocksbychristopher.com. There is also a link on the website. Fill out a form, send it over to me, or you can call me direct at 207-412-0189. Thank you. There you have it.